Good morning, everyone. You're welcome to our lecture series on core mathematics. We're still looking at circle theory, uh, plane geometry too. So, um, in our previous lesson, we looked at property 6. Yeah, so let's look at property 7 here. No, we looked at property 5, so we're looking at property 6, and I'll see if I can get you some examples before we look at the rest of the property. Okay. Yeah, so um property 6, equal chords subtend equal angles at the circumference. Quite similar to what we did yesterday at the circumference. Let me know when you're done.
Yes, sir.
Are you done writing?
Oh, please.
Okay.
Please, we are done.
Okay. So it's just similar to what we did yesterday. So let's illustrate it. So you have a circle. By the way, in the previous example, I don't know if I told you that um because it says equal chords subtends equal angles at the center. In the diagram, the question must tell you there is a center. I don't know if I told you. So this one, it says equal chords raises equal angles at the circumference. So there's a chord. We all know how a chord subtends an angle. So it's end, right? Then it makes an angle. What is the angle made? I'm asking a question. What is the angle made?
Please, at the circumference.
Yeah. Now let's have another chord. This chord also makes an angle. And the angle is made where? On the circumference. Okay, so now, if in a question this is done for you, you see, are the chords equal?
No.
No, it becomes equal when this one is also 3, you see. So if
Yes.
this is done in a question, meaning the chords are equal, then when you have equal chords, they raises the same angles at the circumference. So A and B are equal. So A equals B. Then your reason will be equal cos obtains equal angles at the circumference. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at some example for what we did yesterday and today. So I want you to find the value of the lettered angle. So we have, by the way, your science assignment, I'm going to review that when you're on break, okay?
Enough of things. Is it enough? Yes. And you are doing that. That's really the way it was, which people should about. Then that is it. Yes, yes. For equal courts.
It's 60 degrees, okay.
Okay, I don't see that.
The letter here is A, so for the other one, in case you can't see.
That is the AM 29.
Yep,
Yes.
degrees.
29. Hey, 29. I speak Canadian maths. Okay. How would I take school?
Guys, the angle here is 43 degrees, in case you can't see. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Okay. First to finish join them, we will solve together.
Yeah. No, you should do that alone.
Not equal. Yeah.
Actually, number three, that wasn't the intended question. It should be
So
like
what?
this. I've
Okay,
done a
sure.
little modification there.
So C is equal to number one.
Mm-hmm.
Some things before and go at the same time. With the number one, they don't have any indication that some parts of the angles are the same.
Some part of what?
The angles.
So what's your answer?
A is on number one is undefined.
Exactly, but you did not explain it well. You were almost there. You were just close.
Uh,
There's no indication that the chords are equal. So how can you say E equals 29? The chords are not equal. There's no indication. Have I said
yes.
in your question or indicated on the diagram that the chords are equal? No. So you see, some of you are just not thinking. Are you happy with yourself?
Good.
And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why. Your problem. So number one, A is undefined. Cannot be solved. Number two, the chords are equal. So B is equal to 60 degrees. Then you write the reason. They are equal. They are producing the angles on the circumference, and you know the property. So equal chords subtends, sorry, equal angles at the circumference. C number three. C is equal to 43 degrees. Because the chords are equal and they raise the same angles at the center. It's being produced at the center. So equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Yeah. Any question?
Who said?
All right. Write property 7. Today I have assignment to review with you. So we'll use 1 hour for that. So write property 7. We will not discuss it. Then you go for break. When you come, then we invest time to look at your assignment. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, so property 7. This property, if you get questions in circle theorems, it's interesting. It comes every time. So let's write the angle a chord makes with a tangent at one end of the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. The angle a chord makes with a tangent at one end is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Now, I want you to go and read about what a tangent is. Okay. Yeah. And let's this for segments and the other thing, you are aware of that. So, yeah, go and read about tangents, and in our next session, you will explain it to me. Do you have any question? Do you have any question?
Okay.
All right. So this ends today's session. Thank you.